When you design a feature wall, you're designing what people remember the moment they walk in. That's where Nippon Paint's special effect paint, Momento Sand Dune, changed the game. Hi, I'm Stanik.
I'm Sim. We are from Nippon Paint. Momento Sand Dune is one of the simplest ways to elevate a project design, delivering the natural texture of stone, and it can be applied across almost every surface.
Momento Sand Dune is light in weight, easy to apply on flat render walls, and capable of fulfilling the desired pattern or texture. It gives the look of stone with depth and warmth. On this side, this system is far more practical. We don't need heavy panels or cutting work. It's faster to apply, easier to align, and simple to touch up, which helps us hand over cleanly and on schedule.
For this project, we are using Nippon Paint exterior wall coating system with Momento Sand Dune as the main texture finish for the lobby feature wall. First, we apply Nippon Paint 5100 wall sealer to seal the wall and ensure lasting adhesion. Next, we apply Momento Sand Dune, creating the textured sandstone-like finish that defines the wall's natural character. After that, we apply the first coat of Nippon Paint Weather Bond. Finally, we finish with a second coat of Nippon Paint Weather Bond, providing excellent weather resistance, stain washability, and a smooth matte protective layer. Maintenance is simple too. If there is minor damage, building maintenance team can easily patch up using readily available paint. No waiting for special material or fabrication.
From a plain wall, the lobby is now transformed into a refined feature space. The sand dune texture adds depth and dimension, creating a natural play of light and shadow, just like real stone. It instantly elevates the atmosphere and gives a premium first impression to anyone entering the space. You can really see the difference. What used to be a basic wall now looks like a premium design feature. The system is lighter, faster to complete, and easier to maintain. Yet it delivers the high-value look that developers, architects, and home buyers expect.
All applications are carried out by our recommended texture coating specialists to ensure consistent workmanship and quality. Contact Nippon Paint for specification support
And see how Momento Sand Dune's sandstone-like finish can redefine modern spaces.